Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. As we learned last week, the Democrats took control of the House, which means they have the majority. They can set forth the agenda and try to push through items that they promised their constituents. Now, before the new members even moved into their offices, they are pushing through H.R. 7115, which is a gun control measure. It's titled the 3D Firearms Prohibition Act. Now, the 3D Firearms Prohibition Act, I think, is a good title for them because most people are fearful of the idea that somebody could make a firearm out of their house. And they have no idea what it is, what caliber it shoots, what it's capable of. They don't know any of that, but people do not like that idea, by and large, because they're lacking information. And that scares them. But this bill has very little to do with 3D firearms. It's in there, I get it. But what they're really targeting are rifle parts. All right, they're targeting 80% lowers. They're targeting part kits. They're actually targeting guys like you and I because they lumped us all into violent people, gun nuts, people that could care less about children and innocent people. It's very misguided. We already know that. But they are looking at banning the sale and distribution and creation of parts. Okay, a forend, a barrel, a muzzle brake, all right, a parts kit, 80% lowers, all of that. So if you enjoy building a rifle, if you enjoy that as a hobby, if you love creating something out of nothing, it will now be illegal to do that, or at least get the parts to do that. The reason for this is because they cannot stand home-built firearms, and they especially don't like the fact that the government does not know who is armed and who is not. Meanwhile, there are thousands of felons out there who are illegally armed. It doesn't matter because they are looking at us. They put us all in a group of gun owners, and that's just what they're looking to do. Now, I know that the Democrats will stick together on this. They promised, on the campaign, I'm going to do this. I'm going to take care of the assault rifles, and they're looking to make good on it right away so they can move on to other things. I know that's going to happen. But what worries me are spineless Republicans who will use this to sacrifice us for a deal in regards to something else. You don't know what goes on back doors. I don't trust these people one bit. So we'll see how this works out. It's going to require all of us. So get ready, rest up, stretch out, and tape up because we could be in for one big fight. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching. And you guys be safe.